बॉलीवुड को मुबारकबाद जिस तरह से आपके 1 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स रीच हुए हैं. विश यू ऑल द लक. कीप ग्रोइंग.
Hey.
Peace, blessings, and mercy of God be on all of you. We welcome all of you to this amazing event, the launch of the new collection of Mashroot Hopes. And I would just like to introduce myself. I'm Ashraf Mohammadi. I'm a financial consultant. What I sell is financial freedom, and that's how I get to do what I'm doing today. I would first and foremost like to welcome all of you, our guests, our distributors, resellers, the media persons present over here, all of you, our spokesperson, and especially Irfan Pathan. Usually when I talk about you these days, it's normally at Irfan Pathan _official. So that's the effect of the social media, right? All our players who have been representing India at one level or the other, some of them are on the way. And our distinguished guest, Yasin Khan, mashallah, he's the MD of a leading security company, YK Securities, YK Protections. And he is the one who's providing security and protection to the who's who of the industry, sporting industry, cricket, film industry, and so on. So, YK के साथ पंगा लेना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है. Right. All right. So moving on, this event is all about Thopes, and we will shortly have the key player of this industry to talk to you about Thopes. But my experience with Thopes started when I performed a pilgrimage. Hajj is a pilgrimage, and when I performed that for the first time, as a grown-up, that's when I wore a thobe for the first time. And I was just trying to figure out that how in the world can Arabs in that desert, hot temperature going up to 52, 53 degrees, and how can they wear something like this? And someone over there then told me that, you know what, this dress, it's conditioned by air. Even to this date, I'm trying to figure out how does that physics work. But let me get an expert to you, Saad Patanwala, who will talk to you about thobes and how is it appropriate for Indian climates and so on. So Saad is the partner of Mashroot Thobes. He's 28 years old. He's married and he lives in Mumbai with his 2 lovely kids who are also his perpetual and evergreen models for Mashroot Thobes. He loves sports, farm animals, he loves networking, he networks hard, and he loves making friends. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hand over the mic to Saad Patanwala.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ashraf. Assalamu alaikum and good evening, one and all. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Saad Salim Patanwala. I'm a partner at Mashroot Apparels LLP. And I'm honored to have each one of you here. Mr. Irfan Pathan, thank you so much for coming. His manager, Harmeet Vasudev, Mr. Yasin, Mr. Amin, especially the press and the media. It's a really good sight to see all of you flashing a camera out there. Thank you, our friends from the industry, our retailers, our distributors, our agents, who will be flowing in shortly. Thank you, one and all. I also welcome you to post the event. Be present here for the unveiling of the Ramadan 2018 collection, the ones that you see on both the sides. When Irfan Pathan walks up and he unveils India's first ever Ramadan 2018 Thope collection. You've seen a lot of t-shirts, you've seen a lot of shirts, you've seen trousers, but this season you're going to see a collection for Thopes, which will be unveiled by ace cricketer Irfan Pathan. The collection of the Tobes is also available for personal viewing at the far end of the room. Beginning with the presentation, let me start with a short story wherein a younger brother, he goes up to his elder brothers and he says, brothers, I want to get a Tob like the ones we get in Saudi Arabia. The brothers give it a thought and they reply कि भाई ऐसा तोप अगर चाहिए तो सऊदी अरेबिया ही जाना पड़ेगा. Now this sparks an idea and the younger brother goes to his close friend and he discusses with him कि बॉस ऐसा ऐसा हुआ and I spoke to my brothers अपने जैसे और कितने रहेंगे जिसको तोप चाहिए, but there is a demand but no one to cater to them, even if it's niche, let's cater. So he offers partnership to his close friend and the close friend agrees on it. Usually दोस्त लोग जल्दी कोई चीज के लिए मना नहीं करते. So this idea is brought back to the elder brothers and the elder brothers agree. A partnership is formed and this is the birth of Mashru Apparels LLP, ladies and gentlemen. That's our compact team. That's the secret to our success. The one on the right hand side is Mr. Adil Patnwala, who's the father of the family, father of the company. That's the younger brother's close friend, Mr. Junaid Khan, who manages single-handedly the production and designing of Mashru Tobes. The one right next to him is the other elder brother, Mr. Muzammil Patnwala, who is not actively involved in business, but he is the emotional pillar and always involved in the vital decisions. And yours truly, Saad, I look after the marketing and the business development of firm. From one short story to another. Now, there used to be an African king, and he used to represent his nation. Wherever he went for meetings of World Banks, he went for peace conferences, he went for different sort of events where he met the top dignitaries of the world. He met the United States President, he met the UAE ka Sheikh. So a man comes up to him and asks him, sir, why don't you dress up? I'm sorry, a point that I missed out was wherever he went, he used to wear his traditional clothing of Africa. So a man politely comes up to him and asks him that, sir, why don't you dress in a suit and tie like the rest of us? You know the answer he gives? He says that the clothing I wear defines who I am, where I am from, what my people are, what language I speak. It tells you who I am. And we at Mashru, we pick the traditions of the whole world and we bring you a single solid urbanized Mashru Tobes. Now Mashru, the word Mashru is an Arabic term which is bought, and when literally translated into English, it means all those things that are lawful for human consumption. That's what Mashru means in English. And Tob as a word has a lot of synonyms in the world. It's known as Kanzu in Tanzania. It's known as Dishdasha in Egypt. It's known as Kandura in UAE. We prefer to call it Tob. It's also called as Kaftan. It's known as Jabba in Turkey. It's also known as Jubba. But my guarantee to you is whenever you type Jubba or Tob, you will see Mashru right on top. That's a Make in India company. Let me show you how we redefine the tradition of Saudi Arabia. That's a classic Saudi Tob. If you'll see a Saudi national, he would not tinker with the styling of this Tob because that's close to his tradition. So what we do is, that's the Mashru Saudi Tob, which detailing, and it's urbanized for the younger generation of today. That's a Bahraini Tob. If you go, you see a Bahraini national. The only difference is that they wear a shirt collar instead of a round collar. And we at Mashru, we give you the Mashru Corinthine Bahraini Tob, which is with brushed cotton. You can compare it to the top brands of the world, and you will see that in terms of styling, it's second to none. The Emirati Tob, I'm sure a lot of people have gone to Dubai. It's one of the most favorite holiday destinations. If you'll see a Dubai national wearing, he'll wear a Chinese collar with a tassel hanging in front. That's an Emirati Tob, and this is Mashru's favorite bestseller, Emirati Tob. Now, my question is that do you know that there is a Tob which is worn in India since centuries? However, we've not keenly observed, and that Tob is a Kashmiri Farran. Next time when you go to Kashmir, just keenly observe, especially in winter, that the Kashmiris wear this long jubba, It's called as the Fairan, and they hold a small pot inside with coals that give them warmth. You want to see what Mashru's redefined of Kashmiri Fairan version is? It's the world's first ever dry fit fabric thobe. It pricks sweat, and I don't see anybody in the world making a thobe with this fabric, and we've done it successfully well. So this is what Mashru is about. We bring the cultures, the traditions of the entire world, and we give you one solid Mashru urbanized thobe, which is for 3 years till adults. We don't want to be jacks of all trades and masters of none. We just want to be known as the masters of thobe making. So if you come to our manufacturing unit, you ask us to make a kurta pajama, we wouldn't be very happy because we're not habituated on making it. But if you ask us to make a thobe, we'll be more than happy, and we guarantee you we'll give you the best quality thobe, not just in India but in the world. Superior workmanship. Just like a king's crown determines how much he shines, a thobe's collar speaks of its quality. We at Mashru, since the last 4.5, 5 years, have mastered the art of making the collars of these thobes, and it's our challenge to the industry in India to replicate the thobe even after taking the product. It's available for viewing. You can have a look at the classic, simple Saudi white thobe, the way we make the collars. Father and son, this is our USP, which is very close to our heart. Every Mashru thobe, every design is there from 3 years till men. Imagine the smile on the face of your mother, your sister, your wife, your daughters, when they see the entire boy clan of your family, right from the son, the father, the grandfather, even the great-grandfather wearing the same thobe this Ramzan or Eid. We at Mashru make this happen. We don't just pick designs out of the blue. We've got in-house designing, wherein first every thobe, even the design that I'm wearing right now, is sketched. We've got our chief sketcher, Mr. Savio. He's a young guy sitting there, 20 years old. Thank you so much, Savio. So Savio has sketched these. If you see closely, he's inculcated the flags of Kuwait, UAE, Bahrain, because we don't just sell in India. We sell all over the world. Even in the remotest part of Africa, if you go to mashruthobe.com and you want to call for just one thobe, it's our guarantee that everything will be calculated automatically and we can ship it to you even in the remotest part of Africa. So these designs are made for the world, India first. So friends, when we started the business, when the younger brother went to his friend, when he went to his elder brothers in the year 2014, the scenario was somewhat like this, where you saw a lot of people wearing kurta pajamas. Today, while I'm talking to you, in the year 2017, the scenario is roughly 30% of the people are wearing thobes. Next time you go to Mumbai Central or you go to some particular Muslim pocket areas, you'd see that at least 30% of the younger generation between the age of 15 to 35 is wearing thobes. But I today welcome you all to the future where each and everyone is wearing a thobe, and it has to be a Mashru thobe. Now, to kickstart this future, to be a part of this history, to be a part of this tradition, may I finally call upon the stars of the night, the VIP of the night, the moment that we've all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the stars of the night. Hopefully he grows up and plays cricket like Irfan Pathan. Now, without no further delay, please call upon the star of the night, India's ace cricketer. Thank you so much for being here. Ladies and gentlemen, a loud round of applause for Irfan Pathan. Thank you so much. You want to take a picture? Take a picture. Rami.
Now, may I invite Mr. Adil Patanwala? Yeah. So we have some gift hampers for Irfan Pathan. I would request Adil Patanwala sir to hand over the gift hampers. So this one is for the senior Pathans. So all the senior members of the family, your father, your bhaijan, everyone. Yeah. Then this is for the junior Pathans. I'll get that. This one is for the junior Pathans, all the kids, your kids, Yusuf Bhai's kids. I'll take it. May I request Brother Saqib Giwala to please come up on the stage and present the unique gift hamper from Birra Perfumes. Saqib Bhai? So Birra Perfumes is a leading sir. Okay. All right. Now, some unique round of acknowledgements. Saad just mentioned about a young and dynamic designer who gives life to dresses, thobes, even before they're created. So this is a moment where we would request Irfan Bhai to give an award to Savio D'Souza, designer at Mashru and Ace Sketcher. The trophies. Savio D'Souza on the stage. A very young and dynamic designer who's done some amazing work. Thank you so much, Savio. Next, we would like to invite someone who has been a great support for the designing role at Mashru. Mrs. Nazia is the principal of PAD School of Fashion Designing, who has been providing gems to Mashru, who have been creating some amazing designs. Mrs. Nazia, if you can just come on the stage and accept the reward. Thank you so much. One of the leading distributors for Mashru is Darussalam from Chennai. And the owner, Zabiullah Beg, is here. And we would like to request Zabiullah Beg to come on the stage for an award for the leading distributors for South India. Now we'd request Irfan Bhai to give a short talk on your experience with thobes and what are you feeling like. This is not an IPL commentary, a short talk.
12 घंटे होते भाई वहाँ. I'm sure it'll be much shorter. Good evening, Assalamu alaikum, namaskar everyone. It's good to be here. It's the one thing I really like. जिस तरह से यहाँ पे स्पेशली जो लोग पीछे काम कर रहे हैं उनको अप्रिशिएट किया जा रहा है, सो ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं हमेशा इस छोटी छोटी वैल्यूज़ को पसंद करता हूँ. और जिस तरह से आपने तारीफ़ की जो पीछे काम करते हैं डिसूजा और बाकी लोग भी उनकी तारीफ़ की, तो ये देख के और अप्रिशिएशन जो मिला उनको देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा. और इट्स गुड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ सच एन इवेंट जहाँ पे इस छोटी चीज़ों का वैल्यू है. और बाकी अगर तोप की बात करें तो आई एम श्योर साथ तोप सबके लिए, राइट? एनीवन एंड एवरीवन कैन वेयर। सो और अच्छी बात है, यहाँ पे कोई भी चीज़ एक नया स्टार्टअप होता है वहाँ पे नए लोगों को जॉब मिलता है। सो दैट्स वन थिंग आई रियली अप्रिशिएट। सो वेल डन स्टार्टिंग समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी यूनिक, जो पहले कभी यहाँ पे इतनी ज़्यादा कंपनीज हुई नहीं है तोप के लिए। सो मेरी बीवी भी सऊदी अरेबिया से है, मतलब वो है इंडियन बंदी लेकिन सऊदी अरेबिया में रही है। अभी यहाँ पे जब पहली बार आपसे मुलाकात हुई मैंने तोप पहना खुद भी, शी वॉज रियली हैप्पी कि बिकॉज द कल्चर जो वहाँ पे था। और दूसरा, जब मेरे बच्चे के लिए आपने गिफ्ट दिया, मेरे बच्चे ने भी पहना, इमरान ने, वो भागना चाहता था तो मुझे लगा ये तो में भाग कैसे पाएगा, लेकिन अच्छी चीज़ ये थी साइड पे चेन लगी हुई थी तो मैंने चेन ऊपर की, फिर वो आराम से भाग सका। सो इट वाज गुड। सो थैंक यू सो मच। और बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके, ऊपर वाला करे कि आपकी जो कंपनी है, जो स्टार्टअप कंपनी है, एक बात जो आपने बोली, मेक इन इंडिया कंपनी है। सो दैट्स वंडरफुल। क्या आप ऊपर वाला आपको बहुत कामयाबी दे और होपफुली जो रिलेशन भी स्टार्ट हुआ है वो लंबे तक जाए, और आने वाले वक्त में जिस तरह से आप दिखा रहे थे बहुत सारे लोग तो पहने। सो विश यू ऑल द लक। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग हियर। थैंक यू टू माय मीडिया फ्रेंड्स एज वेल। आई नो सम ऑफ देम, सो थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग। एंड
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Irfan bhai, you can just stay on the stage for a few more moments. One of the leading tour operators from India, Al Khalid Tours and Travels. Mr. Khalid is over here, and I would request him to come up on the stage to receive the Pilgrim Clothing Partner Award. The Pilgrim Clothing Partner Award to Mr. Khalid from Al Khalid Tours and Travels. Also, the next award, All India Best Reseller Award, goes to Gulshan from Bangalore. And Gulshan is considered to be the hottest counter in southern parts of India. So may I request Brother Saif from Bangalore to please collect the award for Gulshan. Best Reseller, All India. With that, we can have the stage open now for a short round of questions and answers. Can we have the chairs on the stage, please? So I would request everyone present to please pose questions only pertaining to thobes or fashion or this event, and not besides the topic.
Irfan over here, to your left. Yeah. Hi. So you're looking absolutely great. So obviously you are a public figure and a sports icon. People follow you, whatever you do, whatever you Aviyap or whatever you do. So when it comes to thobes, it's an attire which is normally worn in Gulf countries. So when it has been launched in India. So how do you see thobes becoming a fashion statement? Is it possible that it can be a fashion statement in India?
यार अपने मुल्क में एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी है कि हम लोग बहुत सारी चीज़ें एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. सो दैट्स अ वंडरफुल, दैट्स अ ग्रेट क्वालिटी फॉर आवर कंट्री. सो जब कोई भी नई चीज़ आती है, सो अपने यहाँ पे अपने मुल्क में बहुत जल्दी एक्सेप्ट करते चीज़ें, और आई एम श्योर ये चीज़ भी एक्सेप्ट आराम से हो जाएगी. सो जिस तरह से आपने बताया कि हम फैशन मतलब एक स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हैं, लोग हमें फॉलो करते हैं, मुल्क को रिप्रेजेंट किया है. सो हम जो भी करते हैं बहुत सोच समझ के करते हैं, कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं करते जहाँ पे कोई चीज़ जहाँ पे कोई गलत चीज़ ना हो. सो उसका ध्यान रखा जाता है. लेकिन आई एम श्योर इट्स एन अटायर. तो अच्छी चीज़ ये है, एक चीज़ जो साथ ने भी अपने स्टेटमेंट में बताया कि मेक इन इंडिया है, मेक इन इंडिया कंपनी है. सो अटायर डेफिनेटली बाहर से इंस्पायर हुआ है, लेकिन मुल्क में बनता है, मुल्क में लोगों को रोज़गार मिलता है. और आई एम श्योर बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो, हम लोग कपड़े भी जिस तरह से पहनते हैं, ये शर्ट भी आपने जिस तरह से पहना है, ये आई एम श्योर हमारा ट्रेडिशन नहीं है, लेकिन हमने पहना है बिकॉज हम लोग एक्सेप्ट बड़ा करते हैं जल्दी से.
Got a question. Yeah. Firstly, congratulations on a great job done. You brought soaps to India, which is a great thing. Could you tell me some figures? When was the company started? How many are the number of soaps sold till date?
You can start talking.
Hello.
We started in the year 2014, and it's roughly four and a half years old company.
Great. And how many soaps you have sold till date local, I mean, in India and export? If you could give
And the
some
exact figures are confidential, so we wouldn't be able to share that directly. But however, what I can say is in the year 2014, when we started, just in Mumbai, you could see that there were no other Thobe shops. But now, in 4 years span of time, if you go around seeing that there are around 7 to 8 standalone Thobe shops in Mumbai alone, and these are only multiplying year on year. So we're proud to be known as the market creators, and we believe in healthy competition because we believe that since we are the first movers, every competition, if looked upon in a good way, is collaboration, and we're proud to be the market creators for Thobe in India.
Great. And could you give some figures on your growth? How much is the growth rate per year, year on year?
Growth rate right now, since it's a startup, since it's an Indian, it's something which is picking up in India. Every year we're growing at around 100 and 150%.
Excellent.
I think with the help of you guys, it will grow even more.
Absolutely. Thank you. And any future plans you would like to share?
Future plans is right now we believe in brick and mortar as well as online. We've got our online partners here as well, and like if you go to mushroomthope.com, you can just order one piece. But if you go to Bombay, Bangalore, Kerala, Hyderabad, Chennai, you can even walk into stores and you'll find a mushroom top there. So we're looking at around 500 touch points in India. We've also got an offline presence in Singapore, Australia, USA currently, and we're currently trying to explore more and more regions, not just in India, even abroad.
Great. And could you explain the scientific way how it can keep you cool or something?
How it keeps you cool?
How it keeps you cool or something?
Well, I don't know how it keeps you cool. That you need to ask him, but I can say you look cool in it for sure.
Great. And one question to Irfan Pathan: when can we see you in a thobe, or when do you wear a thobe on all that?
Look, I'm going to Kashmir next year, right? I'm going to be playing for JNK next season. वहाँ पे ठंड बड़ी होती है यार. विंटर में हम लोग क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. जो कश्मीरी जो पहनावा है वो मैं पहनूंगा फिर वहाँ पे इंशाल्लाह. सो वहाँ पे क्या करते हैं, ही इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट. अभी मैं जब वहाँ पे गया भी था, तो जो कपड़ा पहनते ये उसके अंदर कोयला रखते हैं. सो कभी कभी आप देखें अपने चेस्ट की तरफ काले रंग का निशान होता है. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है वो. सो आई एम श्योर अगर वो पहनने का मौका मिला जब मैं वहाँ पे जाऊँगा खेलने के लिए, और देयर इज लॉट ऑफ वर्क देयर, इंशाल्लाह बहुत सारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट क्रिकेट भी डेवलप करना है, तो वहाँ पे जब जाएंगे तो ये ज़रूर पहनेंगे. आसान रहेगा ठंड में भी.
आपने ये मशरूम थोप पहन के देखा हुआ है और आपको कैसा लगा है?
मैंने अभी बस लास्ट फ्राइडे को ही पहना था, मेरे बच्चे ने भी पहना. वाज वेरी नाइस. I was supposed to go for work from now, so I need to go quickly. So that's why, not today, but inshallah in future. I already wore last week. In coming weeks as well. Ramzan भी आ रहा है.
Any other questions?
I think we're good to go. No other questions, right?
So I think Irfan Bhai has to rush to Kolkata right now, and we won't hold you back. But in conclusion, thank you so much for making time and spending time with us. So can we please present Saad will present a bouquet to all our leading sportsmen, past and present. Saad, they have made India proud at some time or the other, and it's a real privilege to have you all on stage together. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Irfan bhai, thank you, Irfan bhai. Thank you, Irfan bhai.
शेयर कर लेना
जरा हाथ हटाएंगे प्लीज एक मिनट
बच्चे को धक्का मत मारो
सब
आपको एक समझना होगा कि हर एक प्लेयर प्रेशर से गुजरता है। अगर आप वो चीज़ का अच्छा इंटेंशन लेके गुजरो, सिर्फ आप किसी को आप उनकी देखिए, कभी आप एक्सपर्ट होते हैं, मैं अभी फुल ऑन कमेंटेटर नहीं, मैं एज ए एक्सपर्ट आया हूँ अभी, तो ये चीज़ मैं समझता हूँ कि ये चीज़ क्रिकेट खेलना, परफॉर्मेंस होना ना होना, ये पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ द गेम है। सो एज अ एक्सपर्ट मुझे समझना होगा ये चीज़, और हर एक इंसान को एक रिस्पेक्ट जो उसको मिलनी चाहिए वो देनी चाहिए। तो आई थिंक जब आप ऐसा करते हो तो प्लेयर में भी आपकी रिस्पेक्ट बनी रहती है, और एक अच्छी चीज़ भी है, क्योंकि प्रेशर तो वैसे ही रहता है प्लेयर्स पे। कोई नहीं चाहता कोई जाके ख़राब परफॉर्म करे। हम खेले, हमने भी ख़राब किया है, लेकिन हम चाहते हैं ख़राब करना, ना जो आने वाले प्लेयर होंगे वो चाहेंगे, ना पुराने प्लेयर ख़राब करना चाहेंगे। लेकिन अगर आप एक रिस्पेक्ट बना के रखो तो फिर लोग पसंद भी करते हैं, लोग आपकी इज्जत भी करते हैं, और जो आपके दिल में हो वो जुबान पे आ भी जाता है।
आईपीएल में सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉलिंग अटैक किस टीम का है, और किस टीम का रेट करेंगे?
सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद।
क्यों?
देखिए, जिस तरह से बिना भुवनेश्वर के जिस तरह से उन्होंने परफॉर्मेंस किया, देखिए भुवनेश्वर बहुत बड़ा बॉलर है। जिस तरह से इंडियन टीम में मेरे हिसाब से तो बुमराह के साथ अगर कोई 8 पार है वनडे क्रिकेट में तो भुवनेश्वर कुमार है। और जिस तरह से लास्ट के 2-3 मैच उनके बिना उन्होंने परफॉर्मेंस किया है, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। बिकॉज अगर आप देखें उनके इंडियन फास्ट बॉलिंग में कौन है, सिद्धार्थ कौल, संदीप शर्मा, और कोई भी इंटरनेशनल बड़ा नाम नहीं है फास्ट बॉलिंग में, सिर्फ एक राशिद खान है और साकिब नॉर्मल आप कंटेन करते, स्मार्ट बॉलर है। लेकिन जिस तरह से इन्होंने काम किया, जिस तरह से बॉलिंग किया है, आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी इंप्रेसिव। देखिए बाकी बॉलिंग लाइनअप भी है, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं, बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग लाइनअप है, लेकिन स्पेशली विद द लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज जो यंग लड़के अच्छा काम करे, सही जगह पे एरियाज पे बॉलिंग डाल रहे हैं और अच्छा परफॉर्म करे, ये देख के अच्छा लग रहा है। सो आई थिंक सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद बहुत सॉरी
नए फेस आए मयंक मार्कंडे अच्छी बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं, तो क्या करेंगे?
देखिए मयंक मार्कंडे की मैं तारीफ करूंगा, और स्पेशली गाइज लाइक शेखर सर जो मुंबई इंडियंस के साथ है, जो पीछे से बैकग्राउंड में रह के ये टीम सिलेक्ट करे, मैं उनकी भी तारीफ करूंगा। क्योंकि ऐसे लड़के पे दाव लगाना जो एकदम यंग हो, बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिकेट खेला नहीं है, और उसको सीधा आप IPL में खेलेगा और ये सोच के परफॉर्म करेगा, क्योंकि सीजन से पहले तो किसी को नहीं पता ना ये परफॉर्म करेगा। तो एक टी शेखर जो पीछे काम करे मुंबई इंडियंस की, उनकी तारीफ करनी होगी, स्पेशली जिस तरह से यंग लड़के को बैक किया। और यंग लड़के ने भी, माइन मार्कंडे ने भी जिस तरह से परफॉर्म किया, बहुत काबिल तारीफ है, क्योंकि एक हिम्मत का काम है। देखिए लेग स्पिनर का कैसा होता है कि सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ होती है लेग स्पिनर के लिए एक अच्छे एरियाज पे डालना, अच्छे एरियाज पे वो कंसिस्टेंट डालना है, लेग स्पिन डालना, गोली डालना, फ्लिपर डालना, ये वेरिएशन तो लेग स्पिनर के पास होता ही है, क्योंकि वो जो टैलेंट होता है जब आप लेग स्पिन डालते हो तो वो होता ही है जनरली, हर किसी के पास एक वैरायटी होती है, लेकिन कंट्रोल होना और वो जिगरा होना, वो लेंथ पे डालना, वो आसान काम नहीं है, वो जो ये लड़के ने करके दिखाया।
लास्ट क्वेश्चन, मुंबई इंडियंस 6 मैच हार चुके हैं, लास्ट टाइम के विनर है, क्या
सांसें अभी बाकी है, सांसें चल रही है क्योंकि बस ये मतलब लोग कहते हैं कि शायद खत्म हो गया, लेकिन सांसें अभी चल रही है। सो एज लॉन्ग एज अगर आपकी सांसें चल रही है मतलब चांस बाकी, आप जिंदा हो। सो आई एम श्योर मुंबई इंडियंस का खेमा भी उम्मीद नहीं छोड़ रहा होगा, लेकिन एज अ फैंस भी मुंबई इंडियंस के फैंस को भी उम्मीद नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए, क्योंकि ये ऐसा गेम है कि कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है कि 5 मैच जीत के भी कई एक साथ 5 मैच टीम के जीत के आगे चैंपियन बनी है और क्वालिफाई भी हो सकती है। सो यू नेवर नो कल को क्या हो, मोमेंटम की बात होती है। थैंक यू। प्राइस का तो मुझे इतना ज़्यादा,
मुंबई, दिल्ली के शहरों को ये टारगेट करेगा।
देखिए ये आपको 7 लेकिन जिस तरह से यहाँ पे फंक्शन में उन्होंने बताया कि किस तरह से टारगेट, ये सबके लिए, सिर्फ खाली रमज़ान में पहनने के लिए या तो एक कम्युनिटी के लिए नहीं है, सबके लिए, जिसको पहनना है उस सबके लिए खुला हुआ है। सो इट्स
Hi guys, this is Rakul and you're watching Wild Bollywood. Please subscribe.